Drink clove water before bed after 50, and watch what happens to your body. I'm not just throwing out random advice here. I reached this conclusion after thorough research and expert consultations. You see, as we get older, we all start seeking natural ways to boost our health, right? That's exactly how I stumbled upon this amazing drink that almost works like magic. What can it really do for your body? How do you prepare it correctly? And are there health conditions that you should avoid it? Stay with me, my friend, because I've got all the details you need to know. Let's start with the benefits. Enhancing blood circulation after 50. Does it sometimes feel like your hands and feet are colder than they used to be? Or maybe you find yourself lacking the energy you once had? This isn't just about aging. Your circulation might need a little boost. This is where clove water comes into play, acting like a natural tune-up for your blood flow. When you sip on clove water, you're giving your cardiovascular system a gentle push, helping your blood vessels relax and allowing oxygen and nutrients to move through your body more freely. Imagine your blood vessels as highways. When they're open and clear, traffic moves smoothly, right? Well, clove water helps keep these pathways wide open, ensuring everything flows just the way it should. Now, what's so special about cloves that makes them beneficial for circulation? It's all in their potent antioxidants. These little powerhouses reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in your blood vessels, keeping them flexible and strong. This becomes even more crucial as we age because when circulation slows down, it can lead to issues like numbness, tingling, or even high blood pressure. By incorporating clove water into your routine, you're not only boosting circulation but also giving your heart some much-needed support. So, if you want to keep that blood pumping like it should, try making clove water a daily habit. Just brew a few cloves in a cup of hot water, let it steep, and enjoy it either in the morning or before bedtime. For an extra twist, add a slice of ginger or a dash of cinnamon. Both are known to work wonders for circulation too. Enhancing digestive health. We've all been there, a heavy, uncomfortable feeling after a meal that just won't seem to go away. It's not just in your head, especially as we age. Our digestive systems can slow down, making it tougher to process certain foods. But there's a natural remedy that might surprise you. Clove water. Just a cup of this warm, aromatic drink can help kickstart your digestion by stimulating the production of those all-important digestive enzymes. These enzymes break down food more efficiently, meaning less bloating, less gas, and a happier gut overall. Picture it like adding a little extra fuel to a sluggish engine. It just runs smoother, doesn't it? So, why cloves? The answer lies in eugenol, a powerful compound found in these little spices. Eugenol not only supports digestion, but also soothes inflammation in your stomach lining. If you're someone who frequently deals with acid reflux or that burning sensation in your chest, a bit of clove water can act as a natural buffer, calming things down without reaching for antacids. To make the most of it, brew a cup of clove water after a heavy meal, or have it as a pre-bedtime ritual to let your digestive system do its job overnight. You'll wake up feeling lighter and more refreshed, without that usual heaviness from the previous day's meals. Boosting the immune system. Ever wonder why some people seem to catch every cold that goes around while others sail through flu season without a hitch? The secret often lies in how strong their immune system is. Clove water could be that extra edge you need to keep those pesky illnesses at bay. Packed with antioxidants, cloves help neutralize free radicals that can damage your cells and weaken your defenses. Think of it as fortifying your body's shield, making it more resilient against invaders like bacteria and viruses. Eugenol, the same compound that works wonders for digestion, also plays a crucial role here. It's not just antibacterial or antifungal. Eugenol has strong antiviral properties as well, meaning it can help your body fend off everything from the common cold to more serious infections. So, how do you start using clove water to boost your immunity? It's simple. Add 4 or 5 whole cloves to a cup of boiling water. Let it simmer for a few minutes, then cool and enjoy. Want to kick it up a notch? Add a teaspoon of honey or a squeeze of lemon. Both have additional immune-boosting benefits. Sip on it in the morning to start your day strong, or have it in the evening to give your body a chance to recover and recharge while you sleep. Regular use can help you feel more energized and less likely to fall prey to seasonal illnesses. Your immune system works hard for you, so why not give it the support it deserves? Boost your memory and focus. Ever find yourself in a room, staring blankly and wondering, wait, what was I supposed to do here? It's a moment we've all experienced, especially as we age. Our minds, which used to be sharp and quick, might start feeling a little foggy. But don't let this get you down, my friend. There's a natural, simple remedy that could make a noticeable difference. Clove water. Yes, this humble drink can become your new brain-boosting ally. You see, cloves are packed with antioxidants that work hard to protect your brain cells from damage. Think of them as tiny bodyguards that prevent the wear and tear of aging from affecting your mind too much. Over time, these antioxidants help maintain mental clarity and keep those frustrating lapses in memory at bay. And that's not all. Clove water also enhances blood circulation to the brain, ensuring it gets all the oxygen and nutrients it needs to stay active and alert. When you start adding clove water to your daily routine, you're not just doing your body a favor. You're giving your brain a chance to stay young and vibrant. And don't worry, you won't need to drink gallons of it. Just 1 cup a day can help keep you mentally sharp and engaged. Try sipping on a cup in the morning to kickstart your day with a focused mind, or enjoy it in the afternoon when your energy levels start to dip. Over time, you might find yourself remembering names more easily, staying on top of tasks, and feeling more connected in conversations. This isn't magic, my friend. It's just the power of nature working its wonders. So why not make clove water a daily ritual? It's a small habit that can lead to big changes in your cognitive health, helping you maintain a youthful, agile mind well into your golden years. Improving sleep quality. There's nothing worse than lying awake at night staring at the ceiling, feeling the minutes turn into hours. If you're finding it harder to get a good night's sleep these days, you're definitely not alone. As we age, our bodies may not produce as much melatonin, the hormone that signals our brain it's time to sleep. But here's where clove water can make a difference. This simple drink contains natural compounds that help calm your nervous system and ease your mind into a state of relaxation. Eugenol, the star compound in cloves, has gentle sedative properties that not only reduce tension, but also promote a deeper, more restorative sleep. Imagine sipping on a warm, soothing cup of clove water before bed and feeling your worries melt away, 1 sip at a time. To make the most of it, try brewing a cup of clove water about 30 minutes before you hit the sack. The calming aroma itself can be enough to set the mood for a peaceful night. If you like, you can add a little milk or a teaspoon of honey to enhance the relaxing effect. Both of these have their own sleep-promoting properties. Over time, you'll notice that falling asleep becomes easier, and those random awakenings in the middle of the night become less frequent. And when you wake up, you'll feel more refreshed, ready to take on the day with a smile. Quality sleep is vital, especially as we get older. It's not just about resting, it's about giving your body and mind the time they need to heal and recharge. So why not make clove water your new bedtime companion? Sweet dreams await. Supporting liver function. Let's talk about an organ that works tirelessly for you day in and day out. Your liver. It's the body's natural detox center, filtering out toxins, breaking down fats, and processing medications to keep you in tip-top shape. But as we get older, our liver might need a little extra support to keep functioning efficiently. Enter clove water, your liver's new best friend. Cloves are loaded with powerful antioxidants that help activate liver enzymes, boosting their ability to flush out harmful substances and keeping it in optimal working condition. Think of it as a gentle internal cleanse that helps your liver reset itself and perform its duties without overexertion. Starting your day with a warm cup of clove water on an empty stomach can do wonders for your liver health. This allows the antioxidants in cloves to get right to work, assisting your liver in eliminating toxins and promoting better digestion. Over time, you'll likely notice less bloating, more regular bowel movements, and even clearer skin. When your liver is functioning well, it shows in how you feel overall. More energy, fewer digestive issues, and a greater sense of vitality. And if you want to give it an extra kick, try adding a splash of lemon juice, which can enhance the detoxifying effects. So if you've been looking for a natural way to support your liver, a cup of clove water might be just the simple daily habit you need. Give it a try, and let your liver thank you for it. Dear viewer, don't you think sharing this on WhatsApp with your loved ones might be helpful for them? Relieving muscle and joint pain, aching joints, and sore muscles can become an all-too familiar companion as the years go by. Maybe it's a twinge in your knees when you get up in the morning, or that persistent stiffness in your lower back after a day of activities. These discomforts can slowly chip away at your quality of life, making even simple movements feel like a chore. But here's the good news. Clove water might just be the gentle remedy you've been searching for. Cloves are nature's very own anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving wonder. That's right. They contain a powerful compound called eugenol, which has been shown to reduce inflammation and alleviate pain, making clove water a great choice for soothing those nagging aches. Picture yourself taking a slow sip of warm clove water. Feel its comforting warmth spread through your body, as if it's melting away the tension in your muscles and easing the stiffness in your joints. This isn't just imagination. Clove water actively helps to improve blood flow and reduce inflammation, addressing the root cause of pain rather than just masking it. It's especially helpful for conditions like arthritis or general joint stiffness that tend to worsen over time. And for those stubborn spots that seem to ache no matter what you do, there's another way to harness the power of cloves. Simply mix some clove water with a little coconut oil and gently massage it into the affected areas. This topical application works wonders for knees, shoulders, or that ever-aching lower back. So whether you decide to drink it or use it as a massage oil, clove water can become your go-to remedy for muscle and joint pain. Imagine waking up with less stiffness, being able to move more freely, and having the energy to enjoy the activities you love without constantly worrying about discomfort. You deserve to feel strong and flexible, no matter what age you are. Give clove water a try. It's a small change that could bring huge relief, helping you embrace each day with more comfort and ease. After all, taking care of your body is the best gift you can give yourself. Transforming your oral health with clove water. Keeping your teeth and gums healthy isn't just about brushing and flossing. Sometimes a little extra help can make all the difference. And that's where clove water steps in as a natural, effective mouthwash to elevate your oral care routine. It's not just a random home remedy. Clove water is packed with powerful antimicrobial properties that help reduce plaque buildup and fight off the bacteria that cause bad breath and gum inflammation. If you're someone who deals with sensitive gums or frequent irritation, using clove water can provide that soothing touch you've been looking for. Imagine swishing this warm, aromatic rinse around your mouth. It not only leaves you with a fresh, clean feeling, but also delivers active compounds like eugenol directly to your gums. Eugenol is known for its ability to reduce inflammation and pain, making it ideal for anyone who struggles with swollen or bleeding gums. To get started, simply boil a few cloves in water for a few minutes, let it cool, and use it as a mouth rinse after brushing your teeth. Not only will it leave your breath smelling fresh, but it also helps maintain stronger, healthier gums and teeth. And the benefits don't stop there. Unlike commercial mouthwashes that may contain harsh chemicals or alcohol, clove water is a gentle, natural alternative you can feel good about using every day. So, why not make it a part of your oral hygiene routine? Just a few minutes of rinsing with clove water each day can go a long way in keeping your smile bright and your gums healthy. Give it a try and experience how this simple addition can transform your oral health in ways you never thought possible. Your mouth and your dentist will thank you. Important cautions for certain health conditions. While clove water offers a wide range of benefits, it's essential to exercise caution if you have specific health conditions. For instance, individuals who are on blood-thinning medications, such as warfarin or aspirin, should consult their doctor before consuming clove water regularly, as cloves have natural blood-thinning properties that could amplify the effects of these medications. Additionally, if you have a known allergy to strong spices, or if you have a sensitive stomach, clove water might cause irritation or discomfort. It's always best to start with a small amount and observe how your body reacts. Remember, moderation is key, and your health and safety should always come first. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and share it on WhatsApp with your loved ones to spread the benefits.